guys. What's up? Yeah, where did I end? A. Um, it's too much. We were what? The fuck is that? Um, yeah. So, okay. So, I think our next step was smudge, and I was showing you guys and telling you about the smudge brush. So this is the special smudge brush you need to create these effects. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you the presets it requires and all that. Yeah. So stick right in. Boom. Catch you later. This is part 3 of the tutorial. So now I have already selected it. Yes, it's already selected. There it is. That's how it works. So you go to on top, and then where you see strength here, where you see strength, you see like your strength is on 10%. Now, if I go ahead and increase it to be 70%, and then I click enter to set, and I come reduce its size and do this. See what happens. Due to the too much strength, this is what we have gotten as our results. But the main perspective is that we don't want this as our results. No. As of the fact we are going in for a realistic digital smudge painting. So, which means our strength will be lower than 30%. Yes, actually, 30% is the minimum strength. That's how you can go. How high you can go, maximum, sorry. Yes. The higher the resolution of the picture, the more strength I encourage you to use. If the picture's resolution is crystal clear, then go for 30% strength. Don't exceed 30%. If you do so, you'll get results like this. Those are the results you'll get. Nkwashwaringa. The results zogenda okufuna if you go beyond 30% strength. You get. So, since this picture is of a low kind of quality, I'll use 25. For other pictures, most of the pictures that people send to me through WhatsApp and they have been taken by phone, I always use 10%, 15% strength. I don't even reach 20. Why? Because I want to get the best out of this. I don't want my painting to look oily, though I want it to look realistic. If I increase the strength, it will look oily, and hence my client won't appreciate. You get? Yeah. So just be creative based on picture resolution, then get your strength. So for this case, we shall be using 30% strength for this picture. Okay, sorry, 25%. Then, so the next step is that you'll select your best layer, the first layer you created, this layer, or you can call it your skin layer. Select it, hold Ctrl, click J to duplicate, then hold Ctrl, hold Alt, and click G to create a clipping mask. Allow me repeat this. Let me undo. Select your first or last layer, or what you may call the best layer. Hold Ctrl, click J to duplicate, then hold Ctrl, hold Alt, click G to create a clipping mask. Now, you may ask me, why do we create a clipping mask? A clipping mask, yeah, enables you to draw or to smudge within the interior of the image. Let me show you. Let me just increase the strength to 84 for you guys to see it clearly. If I smudge, you know, if I smudge, when if I smudge and my duplicate layer or my copy layer is clipped to the original layer, my smudge won't affect the background. You get, my smudge won't affect the background. But if I disable this clipping mask, you see that my smudge affects the background, hence coming up with poor results. So that's why I create a clipping mask for this case. So I'm going to go ahead. So now Control Alt key, create a clipping mask, or you can go here, right click, and then go to where is it? Yeah. So since I have already created a clipping mask here, they are telling me release clipping mask. But if you had not yet created it, they'll tell you create or add clipping mask. So I'm going to go to strength, bring it down to 25, click enter to save, select my smudge tool, go and check if I'm using the correct brush, which is smudge brush, and then zoom in and then start smudging. Now, how to smudge? How do you smudge? When you're smudging, smudge depending on the shadow and highlight axis. Remember, these are not the correct shadows and highlights of the picture. These are your very own created shadows and highlights. But you have to smudge them in so as to bring out the best of your results. So, if we have to check, here we have a shadow. It comes in this format, then it goes and sorry, my dear. It comes in this format, it goes, and the shadow comes down here, it comes down here, and then it folds a bit, comes down a bit, it fades in from here, creates this depth, and it also comes here, and oh god, again. Yeah, so the nose shadow also comes like that. But again, so highlights come in this format. So that's the axis you're going to smudge in. So you smudge in this axis, you go, just don't trash it. Let me show you. So just increase the size slightly and then start smudging. So I think you guys are seeing the axis I'm smudging, the exact way shadow is flowing. That's the exact way I'm smudging. Now, in case you get it wrong, man, just delete it and repeat it. You get, in case you get it wrong, delete and repeat because you want the best. I always go for the best on that. Whenever I get something wrong, I delete and repeat. Yes. It doesn't matter how long it may take you, even if 2 weeks, as long as you're learning, man. Because when you practice, you're learning. The more you do it, the better you get at it. If you relax, then you won't learn. You get. Hence, you won't gain what most of you guys call experience out of this. Now you may wonder, for how long have I been smudge painting? Not even a year. Just a few months, like 8. Yeah, like 8 months. doesn't exceed or make a year. But you may wonder, for how long have I been doing graphics, like graphics designing? Just about, let me see, I started in 2019. 2019. Yeah. I started in 2019. So if you were to calculate 2019, 2020, 2019, 2020, then 2021, those are about just 3 years of my graphics designing shit, art and all that. Self-taught, self-taught. I've never gone to a school and paid for a course by learning. No, self-taught graphics designer. It's my own research,